Before I can recommend these lights to anybody, I have to tell you about my warranty experience. This is what you guys have all been waiting for. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Zach, and today on Fabrication, we're going to be talking about the best lighting for your home gym, the brand I use, and my experience with them. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you to make sure you like this video and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. So getting started, we're going to be talking about the Barrina lights that I have installed in my home gym. This is going to allow me to give you an honest opinion on these lights and the company themselves, as I said before. This will also make it so I can give you a good idea of whether these lights are the best to go with or to look for different lights for your gym. Make sure you stick around till the end though, because I really have to tell you something about this company. Even if you think you gotta go running to that description, clicking that link and buying these lights, just wait 1 minute. You're not gonna wanna miss what I have to say. Moving along, about a year ago, I ordered these lights off of Amazon. The link is in the description if you want to use it. It really helps the channel, and it's completely free for you to use that and support the channel at the same time. I ordered a set of 10 lights for about $209, as I said, a year ago. This equates to about 20 bucks a light. They also have a 4-foot variation that comes in a 10-pack that's about 130 bucks, so it's about the same price. They're just shorter lights, that's all. If you're limited on space, these are probably going to be the way to go, but chances are if you're putting them in a home gym, you're not going to be limited on space on your ceiling. I should mention that they don't only have 10 packs, they also have packs of 6 that are a little bit cheaper if you're low on a budget. There's very minimal shadows cast with this style light, which is what makes it so attractive to me. I absolutely hate shadows, and if it comes to a gym, I want it to be very bright. With this style light, you can either hardwire them in, or you can plug them into an available outlet and use the switch on the cord to switch them on and off. I hardwired my lights in, but by no means recommend you do so by yourself unless you're a licensed electrician or have a licensed electrician installing them. I am simply telling you what I did and definitely am not giving electrical advice to any of you. Getting into the Kelvin of these lights, otherwise known as the hue or the temperature. These lights are 5,000 Kelvin, which is something you're definitely going to want to pay attention to as far as your gym lights go, whether you buy these ones or others. Our bodies are wired to be awake and push harder in a natural light setting. This being said, that 5,000 K actually produces the same light or very similar to what you would actually get in sunlight outside. Going above 5,000 K may produce a hue that is very unpleasant and almost too bright for the average gym. On the other hand, going below 5,000 K will actually bring your mood down and might actually make you more tired, cast a lot of shadows, and not really be effective for a gym setting, making 5,000 K your perfect lighting for the gym. And the best thing about these lights is they come with a 3 years warranty. Before I can recommend these lights to anybody, I have to tell you about my warranty experience. This is what you guys have all been waiting for. So one day I walked into the gym and found that multiple lights were half out. So one of the LED strips was on, one of them was off. After realizing this, I took some pictures of the lights and reached out to Barrina to see if I could get a replacement for them. Barrina responded and said that they wanted me to take the lights down and remove the drivers out of the lights, send them the drivers, and they'll send me replacement lights. I told them in my particular circumstance, I wouldn't be able to do that because that's going to leave me with a dark gym. They then responded to this and said, well, here's a link, you can buy them, install them, and then send us the old drivers out of the old LED strips, and then we'll just refund your order. I told them that unfortunately I didn't want to do that, and I thought it was ridiculous that they weren't just going to send me replacements and I could send them the drivers of the old lights back after I got the replacements installed. They then finally responded back and said, alright, we will send you a set of lights, and then after you get them and install them, you can send us the drivers back. Problem solved. I got the package of lights, installed them, took the drivers out of the old LED strips, paid $8 in shipping, and had the old drivers back to them by Tuesday the following week. So after all this has been said and all this had to be done, do I still recommend these lights? Yeah, I would say I recommend the lights. I didn't have to really spend any more money. Customer service was helpful. Yes, I had to fight with them a little bit, but in the end, I have replacements for my gym and my gym's bright again. At no point was I concerned Barrina was not going to replace the lights. Just the process for replacement, and as we all know, warranties can be kind of finicky sometimes. Let me know down in the comments below what your past warranty experiences have been, and have they been similar? Did you get what you wanted? Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. There's a link right down in the description below to these lights, and if you use that, it's gonna help the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. That's it for now, guys. Take care, don't get arrested. Boop. About the best lighting for your home. Hey guys, welcome. And one thing about these Barrina lights is they come with a 3 years warranty. And do be able